Come home, Speedy Gonzales, away from Tannery Road. Stop all of your drinking with that floozy name Flo. Come on home to your adobe and slap some mud on the wall. The roof is leaking like a strainer. There's loads of roaches in the hall. Speedy Gonzales, why don't you come home? Speedy Gonzales, how come you leave me all alone?
Hey, Rosita! I have to go shopping downtown for my mother. She needs some tortillas and chili peppers.
La